Hello students, in this video we will learn about how to create a peer-to-peer network using two PC and then assign the IP address, as well as we can share the resources like packet from one system to another system. For this particular practical, first we have to click on the end devices. We are having two type of method to take devices. First is click on the PC and then put on the main screen area. Then after this second method is drag and drop method. Now click on the PC and drop on the desired location. So this is about to locate the different PCs on the screen. Then after that we have to connect these PCs. We are having two method. First is for same type of devices we can connect with the crossover cable. Now click on the crossover cable. Click on the first device. This is fast Ethernet. Click on the second point and then connect with the fast Ethernet. This is the first method. Using the second method to use a wire, then click this particular wire and click on the automatic, the first option of the wires. Automatically choose connection type. So it is depending on the devices, it automatically make a connection of a particular wire. Now click on this particular device and then click on second device. So it automatically make a connection between these PCs. After that, we have to assign the IP address to make a proper connectivity. Now click on this particular PC. To assign the IP address, first method is click on config and fast Ethernet. Now static address 192.168.1.1. Automatically it assigns the subnet mask of this PC. Now click on the second system, and earlier we have assigned the IP address using the config option and then fast Ethernet. We can assign also IP address using the desktop option and IP configuration. This is the first option available. Okay, click on this IP address 192.168.1.2 because earlier we have assigned 1.1 to the system 1. Now it automatically assign the subnet mask to this PC. Now we have already assigned the IP address. Now click on the PC1 to check the connectivity using the ping command. Now click on the desktop and command prompt. Now check ping the IP address of the second system, that is 192.168.1.2. Now click. So we are getting the reply from the 192.168.1.2. Similarly, when you click on the second system and check the ping command to the first one, now you can check reply from the first PC. So this is about the ping command to check the connectivity. Now with the help of this particular PDU, that is the processing data unit packet, so we can just click on the PDU and click on this one and click on both the PCs. Now you can see that on the right side lower corner we are having simulation option available. Now click on the simulation and one already scenario is in progress. Now click on this particular point. Now you can see that packet is moving from system 1 to second system and from second system to first system. So with this particular practical, we can see that we can make connection, then assign the IP addresses, and after that we can also check the connectivity using the ping command. After that we can share the resources like packet from one system to another systems. So thank you.